Yes. All of you, first of all of you turn off.
My voice audible?
Listen to me carefully and remember this thing. Your performance is noted.
Okay, sir.
So, first of all, mute everyone. Okay, and mute everyone so that.
Assalamualaikum sir, myself Anusha.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, beta. So mute everyone and listen to me carefully. Okay. Open page number 107. Everyone
Sir,
okay?
I have opened.
Okay, mashallah.
Sir, I am open.
Okay, very good.
Sir, opened.
Good, very good. Okay. Okay, I'm starting. Is it clear? Now today what we have to do? Yes, my screen is visible to you, first of all.
No,
No,
sir.
sir, your screen is not
No,
visible.
sir, not visible.
Okay,
No,
listen to me carefully. Okay, I am putting you on mute, everyone. So listen to me carefully because I am putting everyone on mute. So I am revising the thing. Today. What we have to do? We have to do the review exercises. Okay. For that,
Okay, sir.
I am revising the thing. Is it clear? Beta, mute everyone. Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, your screen is visible now.
So, beta, who is this? Who is this?
Sir, your screen is visible now.
Okay. Before that, I am explaining the what we have learned in that in this chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the first,
Sir, what?
listen to me carefully. Don't interrupt in between. Okay. What we have learned, I'm just telling you. Okay. Okay. First of all, you are doing still mistakes on multiplication the decimal. Okay, I am telling you again. Okay, multiplication of decimal. Question number. First of all, I'm going for question number. So, okay, listen to me. Multiplication. First of all, how you do multiplication? Because yesterday, when I do give you numericals in physics, many of the students is unable to convert. Okay, and also some students are unable to do, put that decimal point to exact places. So listen to me. For example, let's say we have 2.03. Okay, is this we have to multiply with uh, 1.2. Okay, so how we do the calculation? First, we multiply 2 into 3 is 6.
Sir.
Listen, don't say 2 into 0 is 0 and 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, we put cross in the first place. 1 cross 3 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 0 into 0, 1 2 is 2. Okay, we put 6, 3, 4, 2. Okay, so this is
Yes, sir.
calculation in mathematics in multiplication. Now important thing is that where to put the decimal mark. Okay, listen, remember this thing again. Okay, see here two places. Two places. Okay, two places, and it is one place. I show you the picture also, total three places. Okay, so we have to put decimal from left, going from, okay, right to left. Okay, this is your, we are going to right to left, one place, two place, three place. This we have to put the decimal here. So what is the answer?
2.436. 2.436.
Okay, it's 2.36.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
beta, listen to me. I know, but one of the friends will say, okay, yesterday also in calculation, you do right thing. Okay, but in the answer you put the decimal in the wrong place, so the whole answer will be wrong.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So better listen this carefully and remind it in your mind. Okay, remember it. Always remember to, you have to take all the places. Suppose 5.005. This is multiplied by 1.02. Okay, whatever be the answer, you have to put the decimal at how many places? In the first digit we are considering, then three places are there. Okay, and here is two places. Okay, so total will be
Sir, 5.
5. So whatever be the answer, okay,
5.
whatever be the answer, you have to put the decimal at 5 places. Let's say x point A, B, C, D, E. One place, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, is it clear?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
So everyone,
sir, understood now.
okay, very good, mashallah. That is very, very good. Beta, this is thing.
Sir,
And beta, listen to
sir, you
me.
will tell marks today of
No,
maths?
beta, don't worry for that. You are still not concentrating. This is the way, this is the style of students that you are disturbing the classes. Okay, if
Sir, you
I will
explain.
listen to me, I will not put you in security. Okay, otherwise I'll put you on mute to everyone. Just listen to me. You are now grown up students. Still you are disturbing. Listen to me carefully. And listen, when you have to multiply 2.56 with 10, with 100, with 1000, just you have to here, but what will be the answer? 2.56, let's say it is
The answer will
2.56.
be 2.
Listen, here this is, you see, 1 0 is there. Okay, only 1 0. Okay, so this
Sir, we will
decimal
write, but
point will move to this point. Okay, it will be 25.6. Listen everyone carefully and see the board. Here, 2 zeros. Okay, so
then there will be no 0.
Yes,
no,
sir.
will be
decimal.
2, answer will be 256 is as it is. This is very,
Sir, I say
listen to
that
me. Yes,
if
beta.
we multiply anything, so the decimal goes forward
In multiplication, yes.
and the divide it goes backward.
Backward, yes.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So beta, this thing, in case of zeros, you don't have to multiply. Take this
Okay,
one,
sir.
take this method, because when I give
Yes,
you,
sir. Just have
listen,
place
beta,
decimal.
listen to me. When I gave you some questions to do, you are doing multiplication. Beta, this kills time. Okay, this is the way of doing multiplication. Whenever there is a zero in the first place, second place, and third places. Okay, means 10, 100 or 1000. Suppose that here what happened, we have to move 3 zeros here. 3 zeros are there. Okay, so this decimal moves to 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is no digit here, so we have to put yourself. Okay, then this will be your
Okay, sir.
answer. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, this is very
Yes, sir.
important. and listen to me. Inshallah, I will give you some worksheet also. So, and listen, very important. I am not allowing late submission. So please do the work in time and submit me. Okay, this
Sir,
thing is.
can you explain one more time?
Better listen to me carefully first of all. This thing is clear. Now, very important. I am just revising, so concentrate on my class. Now, another thing. Now, where you do mistakes, addition. Okay, suppose you are let's say you are having 25.07. This you have to add with 0.5 only. So what is the way of writing? As I told this earlier also.
Can I tell?
Beta,
Sir,
wait
can
and
I
listen.
tell?
No, listen to me, sir. Okay, that you have to put, first of all, write 25.07. Then I just
Yes, sir.
I told this earlier that you have to put the decimal just below it. First put the decimal. Okay, then
Below it.
only this is given. Okay, so this and this is
Sir,
no
sir, I want to ask.
no digit is given on left hand side.
Sir, and the right side of the 5 you will
So
write
we
0.
have to put
And in the
0.
left side also you have to write 0.
7
Yes,
will
sir.
remain as it is. 5 will become as it is.
5 will remain.
Yes,
Five,
sir. And
two.
5 will
Yes,
also
sir.
remain.
Better
25,
listen to me.
25.57.
Everyone in the class understand this thing, but what happened during the test? You all the students get into pressure. Okay, they pressurize themselves or take tension, and in hurry they do the things wrong. So be careful. And the only way, listen, the only way to do right is practice. Yes, tell me what you are asking.
So I want to ask. So yesterday which test was there? So saying there the one question was there. So question last question. C part. So can you explain that one? I'm not
Physics.
getting.
Physics. In
Yes,
physics.
sir. Physics. No,
What's
sir.
the question?
Mathematics. Mathematics.
Tell me what's the question.
The question last question C part.
Tell
But
me the
I'm not
question
getting
first.
which question. Wait, sir. I'm
Sir,
telling.
how we know to put the point?
Okay, listen, beta. You WhatsApp me, I will tell you. Okay, I am just revising the chapter first because
Sir, I
today.
want to. I have query. I can ask you.
Yes, beta, sure.
Sir, I also
Sir,
have.
Listen,
Sir, when we have to put up decimal point?
beta. What I told this time. This is the way. This is the
Sir,
time you are.
because I have got a washroom, so I
Okay,
No.
listen to me carefully again. Okay, and I am covering all the parts which we have already covered in this decimal. So listen to me again. I am saying that suppose that we have to multiply 5.73, we have to multiply with 0.25. Okay, so whatever be the answer, let's say answer will comes to be PQRSTV. This will be the answer, let's say. So where we have to put the decimal, this is very important. In here, in the first, we see decimal is at 2 places. Okay, and here it is also at 2 places. So total number of places of decimal will be 4. Okay, so we have, first of all, when there is no decimal, so always decimal is this here, this is not written. Okay, so we have to put the decimal at 4 places. 1 places, 2 place, 3 place, and 4 place. So answer will become PQ point RSTV. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now,
Sir.
Clear.
okay, now what I'm going to tell you, listen to me very carefully because this is very important. This part and in physics also, both the type of numericals are same. So listen it carefully and watch it. Okay, beta. Everyone, don't speak anything. Just concentrate on the class. Suppose that you have to add. Okay, I am giving you addition. You know subtraction. The same method is goal for subtraction also. Okay, beta.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so listen this thing. Okay. Suppose we have to add, what we have to add? We have to add 3 kg, 20 grams to 5 kg, 50 grams, oh sorry, 500 gram, let's say, and express it in kg. Okay, is it clear? Means that whatever be the
Yes.
whatever be the answer, you have to give the answer in kg, and this is understood. Second thing which is very important to all of you, that I have noted yesterday, that some of the students send me the work of physics calculation. So what they are doing, they are not doing the correct steps. Okay, beta, they are what they are doing, they put the answer, then after that they doing conversion there. Okay, whatever, one or two students do the same thing. They put the answer first, then in between they put the calculation. So this is not the way. I am telling you how to do the thing stepwise. Okay, listen it, see it carefully. First of all, 3 kg, 20 grams. So you know that you have to 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Okay, so 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. Don't say how it come. I am just putting kg from here to this side, and from 1000 gram from right hand side to this left
But
hand
you are
side.
rearranging.
Just rearranging. Okay, why? Because do the conversion of gram into kg. So here it is given as 20 grams. Okay. Earlier we studied in the small classes that how to do unitary method. So it will become 1000 for 1 gram. Okay. We all know that for 1 gram, for 1 gram it will be 1 upon 1000 kg. Is it clear or not?
Sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. Okay, very thank you very much. Please listen. Now for it is listen. Beta, whatever the queries, please discuss me on WhatsApp after the class, or I will tell you later. Okay. Now here in this question, 20 grams is given to you. If you listen, everyone, if you understand one question carefully, then you can do the other questions also. So concentrate on this. 20 grams. Okay, for 1 gram it is here. So for 20 grams, it will be 1 upon 1000 into 20. Okay, so what will be, it will come 20 upon
20
okay.
upon 1000.
And everyone knows that how to divide with zeros. So we put the zeros.
Yes.
Okay, at what, at how many places zero will come?
0 will come.
Sir, it will be 0.020.
It will be 3 places. Okay, 1 place,
Yes, sir.
2 place, 3 place. So 0.02. Okay, this is all.
200. Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is very important part basically. And all of you tell me very good answer correctly. So what will be the unit here? Now it will be kg.
Sir, it will kg.
Okay. So I am doing here. Okay, I am doing here this part. Okay, beta. So your answer will be 0.020 kg.
I cannot understand this.
Beta, just we are dividing the things. Okay, when 20 is divided by 1000, what will be the answer? 3 zeros we have to move to the left. Okay, one previously 0 was here. Okay, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, and we put 0 here. Third place is not given, so we put the 0 Okay, this you can, this is also the answer, and you can write this also. This is also the answer. Okay, because on the right side there is also always a 0. So if you don't want to get confused, so you can write to 0.020. Okay, now this is kg. In question, what we have 3 kg. Now 0.020 kg. Now the units will same. Okay, addition will always takes place when the units are same. Is it clear? Beta, is it clear? Now
sir.
we have to add 3.000.
Okay, sir.
Put the decimal 020. So on addition we get
That is equal to
0.003. So what is 3.020?
3.020.
Okay, is it
Sir,
clear?
just multiply. We
Yes,
have
sir.
to see the place.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Beta, don't do that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It will be 3.02. You can write this also, or you can write 3.02 kg. Both are same. Remember how many
Yes,
zeros
sir.
you put here? It has no value. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
So it is 3.02. In the same way, you have to convert 5 kg into 500 grams. Again, I am telling you the shortest way. Just do it. When 500 divided by 1000, what we are doing? For fast conversion, just listen. For fast conversion, just put the grams and divided by 1000. What will be the answer? It will be 0.5. Okay. We are moving 3 places now. So what we are doing here?
Yes, sir, it will be 0.5.
We are
Yes,
first
sir.
initially listen, initially decimal is here. Okay, we are moving first place, second place, and third place. So it is the answer. So when we convert this thing, the answer will comes to be 5.5. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it will be your 5.5.
Yes, sir.
So what will the total answer? 3 point. You have answer will be 3 point. I'm doing here. Okay. Okay. So what 3.02 kg, and this will all become your 5.5 kg. Okay.
Yes,
I put the decimal just below the decimal 5.5. So no, for make it like decimals, we have to put 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we have to put
Add
0.
2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0 will
Yes,
be 5.
5.
And 5 plus
Sir,
3 is 8.
8.52.
Remember,
8.52,
okay,
sir.
very good. Remember to write down the unit here. Okay.
Sir, kg.
Okay, this is the way. The same procedure is applicable in subtraction also. Okay, if you listen to me carefully again, if you understand this thing, your physics numericals will also become good, correct, will automatically correct, because the same thing we are doing in maths, the same type of calculation, and the same type of calculation we are doing in physics also. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Physics is like math. Yes, sir.
Yes, beta numericals is wherever there are numericals, they are exactly like maths. Okay, mashallah. So it's very good.
Numericals are important in physics.
Okay. Very important. These are okay.
Yes,
Yes. Okay. And another type of way that you are confusing in arranging the ascending and descending things. Okay. Arranging the ascending and descending. Ascending or descending.
Sir, it's very easy sending and descending order.
Yes. The only important thing is that you have to make it like fraction, like decimals. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we don't like the 12 by taking the LCM.
Sir, in this also we have to see the place value and we have to make
Who is,
like fraction.
yes, who is saying the LCM, beta?
Yes, sir.
In decimals, we are take LCMs. Very good. Your performance
sir.
is enhancing.
Sir, we will
Dividing.
not take LCM.
We are taking. Sorry,
No,
fraction.
sir, we
Yes,
will not take.
we actually take LCM, not in decimal.
Okay, I will try to give assignment some numericals there. Okay, maybe
Please tell.
yes, beta. Tell me.
Sir, that question which I'm not getting, I've sent that question on your WhatsApp.
Sir, I
Please check.
have also sent my query.
Okay, whatever your queries, beta, I will discuss it. Okay, I will tell it to you. Okay, now this thing is very important, which I am telling to you. Beta, always concentrate what the teacher says teaching. Okay, whatever the queries, this can be discussed, and time for discussion. Okay, I will give you some time on afterwards from the next, or let's see, whenever I got time, get time for discussion. In that day, in that time, you have to discuss the only things. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And better remember, some test, whenever now test took place, okay, it will be of some higher level. Okay, so start practicing. Start practicing the
Okay, sir.
things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, mashallah.
Sir, the paper will be in school or in house online
Beta,
only.
okay, tell me this thing, beta. This is the correct time to discuss this thing during the class. Wherever with the
No,
paper,
sir.
wherever the paper took place, you have to attempt that thing. Beta, be
Yes, sir.
sincere. Is this the time to discuss such rubbish things? Okay.
Yes, sir. If we will
Now,
prepare good, so we will
beta, now,
send to everywhere.
okay. Now, always use, we have studied board mass. So now as we studied it, now everywhere it is applicable. In question number 107, open page 107. Okay, there is a question 6.
Sir,
Evaluate.
something.
Oh, evaluate that 9.06 is multiplied by 100, first thing, then minus 7842, 782.4 divided by 100. So this thing is visible to you. This thing you see in your book. This question.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yes, sir. It's
Now what you do,
It is
beta,
visible.
listen to me. First of all, we listen what we are doing in calculation. We are reducing the digits. Okay, how many numbers are there? We are reducing the one number, two number, okay, and three number and four number. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. When we solve,
Yes, sir.
listen to me. When we solve this thing, we get one number. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very
Yes,
good,
sir.
mashallah.
Yes, sir.
And when we solve this part, we get this number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the operation in between? What is the operation in between? Operation is of subtraction. Okay. So now it is easy. Suppose that whatever be the number, we are doing. Beta, what is this nonsense? As we are doing the subtraction in very simple way, we are just subtracting the things. Okay, so let's say 5, 3. What will be the answer? 2. Okay, we get only 2 digits. Okay, and finally we get only 1 digit answer.
And it on the last.
Okay. So in this is just an let's say this is okay, let's say. Okay,
Just
this is yes, this is not the answer. Basically, I am just, because we are reducing. Okay, from this to we are reducing to this one digit, one number, and from here we are reducing this to one digit number. Okay, now we are still there are two numbers. We are reducing in one number. What the answers come? Always answer will always come in one number, na?
Yes, sir.
There will be
Yes,
no
sir.
2 answers, 3 answers, 4 answers. There will be one answer. What we are reducing the number of numbers. Okay, so this is the way. Remember this thing. And division also. Now we discuss also division, so that many of the students still confuse how to divide the things. Okay, let's say
Sir, I was saying
yes.
in chapter 4, there was a question which I was not able to do.
You
Uh,
send me, beta. You send me. I will reply you. Don't worry for that. Okay.
Yes, sir, but
Sir,
then
I
I
am
found
confident that you want
its
to
solution.
reply me.
Like, what was the problem? So it was written 61 divided by 3 of 7. I mean, this is
Okay.
not the whole equation. It was very long. So then it was written 3 of 7. So my father thought then that it is written bracket of. So why not multiply 3 and 7 first?
Okay. You send me the query. Okay. I will check it. I will see it. Okay.
And then, sir, the correct answer came.
Okay. I will check it. Maybe due to some misprinting. Let me check.
Sir, in Bodvans we first use bracket.
Yes. Bracket open, multiplication, addition, and in this way.
Sir,
Suppose that
there are 3 types of bracket.
3.24.
Yeah, we
This
had
you have to
that.
divide with 0.016. Okay. Now listen, this is a very easy way to do the division. Listen, beta, mute everyone. Or should I mute all for the security? What is the way? Mathematics is one of the easiest subject. Why? Because there are a lot of way of doing the same thing. That is why it is a very easy subject. Listen, this is 3.24. This you have to divide with 0.016. Okay. So what is the correct way? Remember this thing that in this way, if you do that, it will be easy. In denominator, there will be 3 at decimal is at 3 places, and in numerator, it is on 2 places. So which is greater, 2 or 3? Everyone knows that 3 is greater. So whatever be the greater place, listen,
Yes,
listen to me. You are not interrupted in between. So we have to multiply with 3 zeros. Means we have to multiply 100, 1000. Okay, and denominator also 1000. We all know that in the last chapter we have discussed that whenever numerator and denominator is multiplied with the same number, there will be no effect. Okay, well, what we get an equivalent fraction. So when we do this type of calculation, then this decimal will come to 3240. Okay, 1 2 3, and here it will become 16 at the denominator. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, decimal will come this side. So this part, this thing will become your 3240. This part I am writing here. It will become 3240 divided by 16. Now it is very easy to everyone to divide this thing. Okay, decimal remove automatically. It will definitely come decimal when you divide the thing. Okay, so always do this type. Okay, that in this way if you are doing, then you will not commit much mistakes. And if you are doing just like this, we are putting in this way, you will also get the answer. Okay, but there's a chances of a lot of mistakes. Okay, 3.24, 0.016, 0.016. So in this way, there will be a lot of chances of mistakes. So always try to remove the decimal. Here 2 places, here 3 places. So we have to maximum is 3. So it will become 3240 and it will become 16. So as we do division previously, 3240 and it is 16. So as we are doing 16 1 the 16, 16 to the
2 are 32.
32. Okay, 32 will come. Okay, now we have to
32.
4. We have to put 4 here. As 4 is less, we have to put the decimal.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Better listen. This decimal comes. Okay, then it will become your 40. Okay, then how 16 3s are let's say 16, 3 is 6, 18, 3 is 3, 4, 48, it will be more than, okay, 16 2 is 32, so 2, it will be 32 again, 8 will come, okay, is it clear? Then you have to do like this, okay, and listen this thing also, that you can check whether you do it correct or not, okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm not in this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta.
I'm
Okay, I'm telling it again, don't worry for that. This is very important, so listen it carefully again and again. Okay. When you multiply 3240 by 16, what will you get? You will get here 2, it will be 32.
Sir, we have to see the last.
Okay, 4 is less than, so we have to put 0 here. Okay, remember this thing. Just I told decimal, put
yes,
0.
sir, because it can't
Yes.
divide. 4
Yes,
can't
yes.
divide.
Okay, so it will become, okay, now it will come 3, 16 twos are again, 32. Put, unless all the digits in the numerator get consumed, after that you have to put the decimal. Okay, now there is no date here. See the screen,
Yes, sir.
as there is no digit here, okay, no date here, no date here, so we have to put decimal here and put 0 here. So 16 times 5 will be 6, 5, 30, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then it will be 80. Okay, is it clear? And this is you that you can also check whether we do it right or not.
Yes, sir.
So we
now
do
understood.
02.5 when multiplied by 16. What will the answer? 6, 5, 30. 3 will be carried out. 6 to 18. 6 to 12. 15.
15.
Okay. And
1
12,
carry.
1 carry. And this
Sir,
will
one
be
carry.
5, 2,
1
0.
Carry.
5.
2.
2 0 1.
It will come 3
Sir,
to
the
4.
answer will be
3 to 4. And listen, this
3
is
to
the
4.
answer. This is the
3
answer. Listen,
4
beta.
0 0.
One decimal is there, so we have to put the decimal here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We are putting decimal here. Okay,
Yes, sir, it is clear. We are putting decimal.
After
beta, listen. This
0.0.
okay, very good.
Sir, after how many decimals we will add there? We have to put
Beta,
that much after decimal.
here it is 1, so you have to put the decimal after 1. Okay, is it
Sir,
clear?
if 2 will be there, sir, we will put after 2.
2 decimals are there. You have to count all the numbers of decimal numerator. In the multiplied part, the number which is to be multiplied and number by which it is multiplied. You have to calculate already sum of the decimals. Okay, listen to everyone. Very important thing I'm going to tell you right now. This thing is understood by everyone. Yes, who is this one? Yes, again you are doing the same thing, huh? Listen to me, that the very important thing is that only practice makes you maths to a great level. Okay, so what is your assignment?
To do revise.
To review exercise.
Review exercise, sir. Review
You have to do this thing. Okay, exercise
Sir, screen is not visible.
107. I'm 107 and review exercise. This you have to do. Okay.
Sir, multiple choice question.
Yes. Yes, the screen is visible now or not? Yes,
No, yes, visible.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is visible.
review you have to
Sir,
do
it is visible.
review
Screen is
exercise
visible now.
and multiple choice.